Hey guys, welcome to another episode on MSK Coding. You know the birthday of MSK Coding? It was June 13th, which was yesterday on the day of recording. That's really nice. That means that MSK Coding has been uploading videos for one whole year. And in that year, we've gotten more than 80 subscribers. I think that's amazing. But let's get into the program. So this program is all about Morse code. Morse code is a way to encode and decode text using dots and dashes, or dits and das. Now we can get into the code. Morse as a variable is the Morse code alphabet, separated by spaces after each letter. That's because we can dot split. Then we can do morse.insert in index 1 a space. That is because this space would get dot splitted out of the original string. Now we create two dictionaries to connect the alphabets. We make a list named alpha, which contains the alphabets. That's what this alpha.append cur ord a plus x in this for loop means. And the connection between the Morse code and the actual alphabet is in these two lines of code. Now, after that, we have choice is input. Do you want to encode or decode Morse code? If the user put encode, it would do this set of instructions. What this does is it just finds the letter in a dictionary, then gets the Morse code equivalent of that letter, which is right here, and adds that to encoded and puts a space after that. And it does that for every single character in the string. After all that, it prints encoded. Elif, choice is decode. It does the exact same thing, but it just doesn't add a space at the end to encoded or decoded in this case. And here it prints decoded. So now we can run the program. So what should we put first? One of the most famous Morse code sequences of characters is SOS. So we're going to put encode, and we'll encode SOS, and it gives this little Morse code. I can copy that, and then if I put decode, I can paste it in. Then it gives SOS. We can do that same thing to, let's see, another string. MSK coding. So we'll do encode MSK coding. And it brings this. The space after K and before C is represented with a slash. You can use any space you want by just changing this character here in your program, but I used a slash. So we can just paste, that's SOS. But MSK coding, we're going to put encode MSK coding. We take this Morse code, we copy it, then we go to decode, and we can paste it. Put MSK coding. This is a fun program for anyone who wants to see secret messages with Morse code. Like if I want to put this is a very secret message. And put that in encode. This is a very secret message. Then you have this whole line of Morse code. If you want to, you can add some extra things to it, like use Caesar cipher before encoding with Morse code, and make some cool combinations. But we're just doing plain Morse code. Now we do decode, we paste it, and it says this is a very secret message. So yeah, that's it for this episode on MSK coding, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey, one more thing is, I explained at the beginning that we got to 80 subscribers. That's amazing, but let's see if we can get to 100 subscribers by the end of 2020. I think it seems like a pretty reasonable goal, so let's start.